Hello, everyone. Hi. How you doing today? Good.
Hey.
So I'm Jasmine.
I'm Miss Dilly.
I'm Miss Sam.
I'm Miss Shirley. I'm Eve. So today, we have a lot of things organized for you today, and our main topic for today is water quality.
Yeah. Yeah.
So today we'll be seeing how to test waters and how to turn dirty water to clean water.
All kind of yeah. You got some
You
cool stuff.
know, chemicals there.
Yeah, definitely a lot of science stuff. So I can't wait to get into that. And also, you might be able to make a craft if you have the supplies at home. So you definitely gonna be looking forward to that. Woo.
So now we'll be moving on to our next skit.
Yep.
We'll be back.
We'll be right back.
Hello, everybody. My name is scientist Miss Samaria, and today I'm just testing the Delaware water. I'm gonna see some cool, interesting things. So I'm just gonna get my little slide here with water. Wow, that is cool. Oh, I think I see nitrate. Okay. Hi. Who are you?
I'm nitrate.
Oh.
I'm a compound that is nitrogen mixed with oxygen.
And how do you help the environment in the ocean?
I help the environment. I trade with plants, but if I get too much of it, but sometimes I get too much and cause
Oh, and that's harmful to the environment, correct?
Yeah.
Yes. Wow. Okay, well, thank you, Nitrate. I think I will be going on to my next school.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you for coming. Wow, the Delaware water sure is like just quite interesting and dirty, right? Wouldn't you agree, everybody? No? Okay, cool. Yes. So from what I can see is the Delaware water is fresh water, meaning that the salinity in there is less than 1 part per thousand. Delaware water, is that you?
Yeah, I believe so.
What are you doing here? You, of course, right? Interesting.
So,
Am I going crazy? Are the chemicals in here making me go crazy? Am I seeing the Delaware water?
That's me.
Can you tell me a little bit about yourself?
Well, I'm actually I'm home to a lot of animals, different types of animals actually, and as you said before, I'm freshwater.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Delaware water. Thank you for that. So from what I can tell is because the Delaware water is fresh water, the pH, the percent of hydrogen ions, is neutral, right? So I heard that today we're going to be doing a craft on that. So when you get your scale, you'll be able to see that the water is right in the middle, 7. Wow. Well, I better be on my way. They're calling me. I'll see you soon.